My beloved child, you are not an accident. You are not a mistake. Before the foundations of the earth were laid, I saw you, I knew you, and I chose you. You were formed with purpose in my heart. I didn't create you to wander aimlessly or live in shame or fear. I created you to walk in goodness, truth, and light, because you were chosen for good. When the world tries to define you by your failures, your past, or your weaknesses, remember, I define you by my love, my calling, and my sacrifice. You are not defined by your brokenness. You are defined by my healing. You are not chosen because you are perfect, but because my perfect love has covered you. I see the gold I placed in you, even when you cannot see it in yourself. You are chosen to bring hope to the hopeless. You are chosen to be a light in the darkness. You are chosen to reflect my goodness in a world desperate for truth. I have placed gifts within you, not to hide, but to use. For every word of encouragement, every act of kindness, every tear you wipe away is a reflection of me working through you. There will be moments when the enemy whispers that you are not enough. But listen to me. You are more than enough in me. I have equipped you, strengthened you, and anointed you for such a time as this. I don't call the qualified. I qualify the called. And child, you're called. You don't have to chase affirmation from others. I have already approved you. You don't have to fear rejection. I have already accepted you. You don't have to walk in insecurity. I walk beside you with strength and confidence. Let go of the lies that have held you back. Release the fear that has silenced your voice. Step forward in the boldness of knowing that you belong to me. I have chosen you to bring love where there's hatred, peace where there's chaos, and joy where there's sorrow. You are not alone in this. My spirit is within you, guiding you, comforting you, empowering you. When the road feels long and the burden feels heavy, come to me. I will renew your strength and remind you once again why I chose you. And never forget, what I've started in you, I will finish. I don't abandon my plans, and you are part of a glorious, eternal plan. Keep trusting me. Keep walking in faith. Even when it's hard, I am with you. Even when it's dark, I am your light. So rise, beloved. Rise with courage. Rise with joy. Rise knowing that you are chosen for good, and that my purpose in you is just beginning to unfold.